What's up everybody, today I'm going to put these polyurethane sway bar bushings on my Lancer. So this is gonna be a short video because before I install these bushings, so I had a video on this. So as you can see, this is the sway bar bushing and the sway bar end link bushings. As you can see, here is the old bushing and the new polyurethane bushing. This polyurethane bushing, it's not for all the Lancers of this type because they have different sway bars, so you need to take measurement of your sway bar in your Lancer or in your other car. So I'm gonna put this grease here in the middle of the bushing. So as you can see, here's the sway bar end link bushing. It's polyurethane too. So as you can see, here is the sway bar polyurethane bushing. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. This is a universal bushing of 24 millimeters. So like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.